Hi guys, welcome back to a Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making Instant Pot Salmon with steamed vegetables. Our recommendation is to cook salmon in the foil to keep the taste, flavor and all the delicious juices inside. Cut the pepper into thin strips. Cut broccoli into florets. Place a piece of salmon skin side down on a foil. Season fish with salt, pepper, lemon and herbs spices. Put a small piece of butter, about a quarter of a tablespoon, on each salmon piece and wrap it in foil. Make an envelope and leave one side open. Pour sweet white wine and close the end of the envelope. Martini Blanco is a perfect choice for this recipe. Add 12 ounces of water into the inner pot. Place the steamer basket and fill it with baby potatoes. Season with salt and black pepper. Place the salmon on the top. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program and set mode indicator to more. Adjust time to 3 minutes. When time is up, make a quick release. When the lid comes off, take the fish out and set it aside. Place the broccoli and bell pepper on top of baby potatoes. Close the lid and turn the steam release handle to sealing position. Select pressure cook program and set mode indicator to more. Adjust time to 1 minute. When time is up, make a quick release. Serve Instant Pot salmon and vegetables while it is hot. Don't forget to press the like button. If you are new at our channel, consider subscribing. You won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Check our website akitchenadvisor.com for more yummy and easy Instant Pot recipes.